welcome back to another vlog. And for today's video, I actually just came from my parents' house dito sa QC. And I'm gonna do some errands. I'm gonna pick up my flowers because nag-order ako ng flowers for my IG post. I'm that extra. And it's finally time for me to do my monthly grocery because ang tagal na since I've done, you know, this whole thing. So it's about time. Wait, nahihiya ako. Kanina pa ako nagpa-park somewhere para di ako makita ng ibang tao. Pero anyway, okay, let's go now.
Questions that I don't know the answers to. I don't know who to.
Kuya, pwede pa abot ko? Isa lang po.
Isa lang po.
Thank you.
Feels like, bro, you need to figure this out on your own. On my own. Yeah, on your own. Am I really alone? All alone. I'm alone. I don't know.
Ate, ang kilo po ng... One half lang yan, ate. Half lang ba? Wala ko 1 kilo. Sorry. Thank you.
I don't know if I'm doing it right, doing it wrong. Is there something wrong with this way I'm moving on? What's going on? Are you alright? I said fine, but I'm dead in real life, so I guess I'll just dance. So I guess I'll just dance.
So it's a new day already and it's finally time to arrange all of the groceries that I got, restock my ref, and do all those satisfying stuff. Actually, ito yung favorite part ko. And some of you guys notice wala ko yung mga karne, yung mga fresh produce, like yung mga vegetables. The thing is, guys, I actually eat them a lot. It's just that yung mga nakita nyo pinag-grocery ko ngayon, yun yung mga pinagbibili ko near my parents' house, yung grocery doon. Kasi mas mura. And yung mga bilihan kasi dito sa area na to, ang mahal nyo guys. Ang mahal ng cost of living dito compared dun sa lugar namin. So, I just take advantage of the opportunity and do my groceries there. And then yung mga mabilis mabulok na items, dito ko na lang binibili. It's such a huge difference for me. So, ganun yung diskarte ko para makatipid. Okay, so I put all of my instant food over here. I also put some bag of chips. I'm just gonna put my favorite snacks. That's it for my snack corner. Oh, and by the way, this is the COVID corner that I was talking about a while ago. And dito ko nilalagay yung mga alcohol ko, keys, and masks. And as of now, ito na lang yung natira kong alcohol. So, bumili ako ng madami. And when I say madami, it's really a lot. Like, nag-hoard talaga ako whenever I run out of these. And ito yung favorite ko alcohol, yung Casino Ethyl Alcohol, because it has dual moisturizer. So, ang gusto ko sa kanya, hindi siya drying sa hands, no matter how many times I apply on a daily basis. So, yeah. It comes in different sizes. So, ito yung lalagay ko dito sa main entrance area ko. And then I also use this size whenever I travel, gano'n. Itong mga tiny ones that I put in my everyday purse or bag. Ayan. Put them over here para easy access and hindi ko makakalimutan yung alcohol whenever I go out. And then, ito naman yung lalagyan ko ng mask. By the way, nag-hoard na rin ako ng mga mask. Super affordable lang niya and it comes in 10 pieces already. If I'm not mistaken, parang piso ata isa or less than 1 peso yung isa. So, yeah, I get it a lot and ganito itsura niya when worn. Super snug ng fit niya for me. Like, sakto siya. I have a small face, so it's hard for me to find a mask na fit talaga or snug yung fit. So, I really like this one. Easy access. Ta-da! So, it's a new day already and I'm out with Sean. And we're gonna take Instagram photos. This is my outfit. Hello everyone! Sean and I are sick. And nag-meet kami today para mag-work for a brand deal. As in, sobrang need na namin kasi deadline na. Couple goals! Magne-nebulizer kami sa Cheers!
Kung yung akin mga idol, ang laki eh. Parang lunchbox ng ano.
Yan yung mga, yung mga sinauna. Ilang taon ka nagkaroon asthma? Acquired ba yun o since birth ba?
Basta pag malalaot ako.
So, acquired ba yun o since birth? Like, nung baby ka ina-asthma? Acquired? Ako, since baby ako eh.
Ano, nagsimula ako skin asthma eh.
Oh, talaga? Ako rin eh, may skin asthma. Ako, may 4 components sa asthma ako. Okay, 1, 2, 3, go! Hi guys, so it's a new day already and I am craving for tacos. So today, we're gonna do just that. Bumili ako ng ingredients nung nag-grocery tayo. Fun fact, I love tacos, I love Taco Bell, and I'm kind of in the mood to create like the whole recipe. Nakapag-search na ako sa YouTube. So ayun, let's go do it now. Kendall be like, I'm a Kendall stan. I love her. I'm finally done cooking the ground beef and it's time to assemble the taco. So first thing I do is pack it up with some meat. Yep. And then add lettuce. Yes, corn. And then I add some cucumber on top and some tomato. And then I sprinkle it with some cheese. Then voila, you have some yummy tacos. There. Yay! Let's eat. Never I eat alone. It's kind of surreal na ito yung view ko. I'm so grateful to live here. Hot, yeah. I'm currently steaming my clothes because dami ko pa ng new stuff that came in. It's been a while since I've done a haul. Cider sent over some stuff to me. They're actually available on Lazada now. And later on, papakita ko na rin sa inyo yung mga stuff na I recently got from Shopee din. And by the way guys, if you're interested in purchasing sa Cider, you can actually use my code, which is AshleyGarcia_YT, and you'll be able to get 15% off on your purchase. First is this like baby doll dress na parang corset vibe yung bandang top. At tagal ko na itong inaay. Like, lagi ko nakikita yung Cider for some reason. Pag nag-scroll ako, tapos nasa ad siya. Honestly, when I received it, I wish that it was a bit thicker. Kasi parang medyo manipis pa yung tela niya over on this part. Kala ko manipis siya, pero hindi pala. Contrary to that, this one looks so nice and it's a top na parang may contrast stitching details. Alright, straight up, I love this top. But the only thing is, this part, itong part over here, ang luwag niya. For some reason, hindi ko alam kung bakit. Pero nung binubotton ko na siya kanina, parang super sakto ang snug ng fit niya. But this part is just a bit weird. I have to have it altered pa. This asymmetrical dress. Okay guys, so this is what the dress looks like when worn. Medyo manipis lang siya, pero ang ganda sana. But ayun, feel ko kasi parang medyo kita yung underwear. Sobrang dream dress ko yung the one from Orson Iris, and grabe yung price nun. Like, nasa 25k ata siya for one dress. So, when I saw this on Cider, and it gets off like the same vibe, I added it into my cart right away. And this gives off Bella Hadid vibes, if I'm not mistaken. Parang may ganito siyang outfit. So, I added it to my cart, and no regrets, ang ganda ng quality niya. At to, isa rin to sa mga ang taga ko ng inaay sa Cider, and no regrets, ang ganda rin ng quality nito, sobrang kapal. And I think I'm gonna use this a lot since it comes in this like neutral color. Next is this top. The quality is not the best, but I really like the detail over here. You guys, this top is so cute. But the only thing is, medyo restricting lang siya pag nagtataas ako ng kamay kasi aangat siya like that. Overall, it just gives me Belle from Beauty and the Beast vibes. Next is this. This is not usually my style, pero I don't know. I've been like going to events and then parang theme lagi. Sometimes I don't have a specific outfit for that theme, so I'm just, you know, trying to fill up my closet with different aesthetics. It looks super classy, although I think the chain over here would have looked better. But overall, I love this dress. Ang kapal niya. And next is this top. I was actually debating on getting this, but then it reminds me of Mean Girls, so I immediately bought it kasi ang ganda ng color niya. I've been obsessed with pink recently. I mean, I always have been, like, you know, obsessed with that color. Feeling ko isa to sa mga nag-viral na pieces ng Cider kasi ang ganda ng quality niya, guys. Actually, this one feels more expensive than this. Although, crop lang kasi siya. So, I think it's very flattering for petite girls like me, yung mga ganitong pieces kasi crop siya. Parang hindi ako kinakain ng damit ko. So, I also got this jacket from Cider. I think I got it a size bigger than the usual. So, para oversize yung fit niya sa akin. And then the dress that I wore sa grocery, that one is from Cider as well. It's a knitted dress, and I got so many questions from you guys where I got that dress. That one is from Cider. The link is down below in the description box. And lastly, I got this knitted long sleeve top. Not gonna lie, the quality of this one is so amazing. There's actually a saying na wise purchase yung isang damit when you can think of 5 outfits right away the moment that you see it. I think this top belongs to that category, so yeah. And then for my Shopee finds naman, I got this top with the bow on it. And wait lang, medyo gusot pa siya. By the way, itong steamer na to, guys, sobrang heaven sent siya. One of my favorite purchases online kasi gamit na gamit ko siya. Di ba may mga damit na bawal yung traditional na plancha lang yung ginagamit mo? Like for example, yung mga satin na material, parang masusunog agad siya pag plinansya mo. So, it's important for you guys to have this steamer, and I super love this one from Xiaomi. I've been raving about this for so long already. It's what it looks like when worn. This top reminds me of a lot of Pinterest girls. So, the moment that I saw it on Shopee, I had to add it into my cart. To all my hubadera pero pa-sweet pa rin na queens out there, this top is perfect since it looks like this in the front, but at the back, Ganda. And this one is also available in white and pink. So yeah, I think the color combination is also perfect. So yeah, I also styled it with a pair of trousers like this. And then I also got this. Pero medyo similar yung vibe niya. This one comes in black and white, but there's also like a black and pink version of it. Sobrang dainty, guys. This one for 279 pesos. Sign me up. And, oh my god, ito excited ako. Wait lang. Hindi ko pa nabubuksan yung isa kasi kakadating pa lang. Pero that's a brush holder. Anyway, I got this mirror. You guys know fully well my Ultra Fargoda mirror, and that one is so expensive. Talagang pinag-ipunan ko yun and pinag-isipan ko for like a year. But guess what? Ang ganda nito! You guys, ang ganda! Given the price of my Ultra Fargoda mirror, but you can get the vibe in like, I think, 500 or 800 pesos. Like, come on! This is such a steal. Actually, nakakatuwa. Every time you guys see something like this online, you would tag me. So, it feels nice to be associated with this mirror, and finding this in Shopee made me so happy. So, I'll put a link below para matchy-matchy tayo, guys. Ayan na! Tada! This is what the brush holder looks like. It looks like the, you know, parang lalagyan ng rose sa Beauty and the Beast. But, tada! There are like a lot of compartments in it. So excited to put this in my vanity table. Inaayos ko pa, guys, yung closet, vanity area, and studio area ko. Also, I just want to show you guys my favorite tote bag right now. Super ganda ng color niya. Get a lot of questions about my phone case. This one is also from Shopee. And I also like the details since I love silver. You guys know that. And then, Tala by Kyla sent over these beautiful necklaces. Actually, message ko sila kasi parang na out of stock yung isang initial necklace nila. Pero they gave me one. They also gave me this one, which was quite of a surprise. Picture naming dalawa ni Sean. And it says Sean Lee. Then they also gave me this one. It has my name on it. And then this one, I think this is what you call as a tennis bracelet. And then this dainty heart necklace as well. So yeah, that's about it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching, and I hope to see you on my next one. Bye!